Yes, sir. Go easy. Just wait now. Okay. Just tap her. Just tap it. Okay, give her a little more. Harder. Harder. Good. Good. Stop. See the light?
You can.
Go ahead.
Your handle's thick.
We're off. Okay, so we've got her split on both sides. Now we just got to run something fair size. So that's what we're going to do here. I'll tell you, man, that's not very smart. Go ahead. Don't need it. Stop. Getting there. A little more fine tuning yet. So that's it. That's my attempt at making an axe of some sort. I'm going to take this part of it off there. It's going to be a splitting maul, so I mean it's kind of just a version of this here. And well, I'd say not a very good version of one. So if you ever wondered why I don't make axes and knives, that's not my thing, and it's pretty obvious. But I had to give it a go because I got 30 thumbs up or whatever there, so I had to do it. Don't ask me again, okay? Never again. All right. So this is why I was making this thing. I got it all cleaned up now. Spent about 20 minutes with a flap wheel and not a flap wheel, mop wheel. You know what I'm talking about. And dressed it up, straightened it up. The only thing that was off just a tiny bit, but that's actually going to make it easier for a right-handed person to use. It's not going to work as good for a left-hander. So it's perfect for myself. I wanted it a little long, and the reason I wanted it is because I had this big friggin' thing. This is my outdoor maul, and I was using this thing in here, and I'd sit on my ass and try and split stuff, and sometimes I'd hit this and I'd fucking hook myself. Hit myself right in the pills. So that wasn't working. So I made this little guy, and we'll test her out. This here is pretty rotten, so it's easy going. This isn't made for splitting full chunks like this. It's gonna be for, you know, knocking off little bits right here at the fireplace. So we'll try it out, see how it goes. I got a little check there. Perfect, that's what I wanted it for. Little one-handed maul that I could use right here. Works pretty good. Better than a hatchet. I don't find hatchets split very well. They're not made for splitting. It's not a splitting wedge. This is the shape of something for splitting. It works pretty good, and it's just the right weight. It's just a couple pounds. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. It was pretty obvious I don't know what the hell I'm doing when it comes to axe making, but you know, I can rough my way through things when I try. And you know, there's nothing wrong with that. I don't think it's worth selling to anybody. It's not for sale. I know you said if I made an axe, you'd buy it, but I ain't getting into that, and you know, I needed it for here anyway, so. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next project.